Are you annoyed when your desktop goes from this to this or this? Well, worry no more, because with DesktopOK you can restore just like that. Alright, first things first, let's go to softwareok.com and go to DesktopOK. I have all the links down below. Click on download and then select the desktopok.zip installer or 64-bit style, whatever you need. After you've downloaded that, go ahead and open DesktopOK. After you've done that, you can click on save and it will save the current position of all your files. And that's very important. You can also name it, for example, profile 1. And then if you move it around a bit, like let's say the Epstein files are gone, you can just click on restore and boom, it's all back in its place again. Awesome. You can also turn on the dark theme to have a cool looking theme. And yeah, and if you have one or too many files, you can just select it and delete it and do the same with this one. You can also minimize it to tray or exit, and that's it. I hope this guide helps you to stay organized, because sometimes Windows does its own thing and then the whole desktop gets reorganized and it gets messy. We've all been through that. Anyways, I hope this helps you and see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Bye.
With